give an example of a genetic mutation or an evolutionary process which can be seen to increase the information in the genome?
Can you just stop one up?
Where do you get information from? Where do you get information from? From my mind. Say if I came in early before you guys walked into this room, and imagine for a second that I didn't just put that up on the board now, right? And I said to you, you know what, I was annoyed. I was stuck in traffic, I was angry, I came in, I took this marker, I threw it at the board, the lid popped off, the pen nib hit the board, and it scribbled this what you call a word right now on the board, and it fell to the ground. Would you believe me? Who would believe me? You wouldn't believe this can happen by chance or as a result of a random accident, right? It can't. And that's 3 letters. G-O-D. That's 3 letters, brothers and sisters. Really think about this for a second. 3 letters you are not willing to accept. That 3 letters which contain information can arise by chance or at random, right? Now think about this. The DNA, the human genome, has 3.5 billion letters precisely sequenced in a chemical alphabet. 3.5 billion letters. Yet when it comes to the human genome, we have professors and scientists who are wanting us to believe chance, necessity. It just happened. Take a 3-letter word to a professor who says that and say chance, necessity. He'll tell you to go home. He'll kick you out of the institution. But when it comes to the human genome, chance and necessity. Why? It's right in front of us. This reality is right in front of us. The signs of Allah are staring us right in the face, but we deny them. We deny them. And there's this whole narrative that's out there with people that want you to deny these things. And they're deluding people. They want you to believe in hocus pocus, literally. And at the same time, they're trying to present Islam as hocus pocus. See the irony? It's crazy, isn't it? And this is why we need to empower ourselves, because there's people out there that believe this stuff. They believe that a 3-letter word can't come arise by chance, the information present there, but the information present in the DNA can arise by chance or at random. Where's the logic and rationality in that? There's none. It's hocus pocus, literally. And the DNA itself is the greatest storage saving device that we know of. Literally, and it's amazing because after decades, centuries of research and science and toil and trouble and sweat, we've been able to develop things like the SD card and hard drives and so on and so forth, right? Compared to the DNA, they're nothing. Literally. See, according to 2011 statistics, and this is really interesting, they calculated that roughly the information and data present on Earth was about 1.8 zettabytes, right? That's a huge number. You can imagine how big that is, right? And it's probably much bigger now, right? This entire amount, or all of this information could be stored in just 4 grams of DNA. That's less than a teaspoon. Less than a teaspoon worth of DNA can store the entire data present on this planet. SubhanAllah, this is amazing. No one made this. Allah made this. No human being can construct anything like this. This is sort of information we are being either not told, or either we are being told it, but in such a strange way that it just all arose by chance, at random. Hocus pocus, brothers and sisters, seriously.